Hi everyone, this is a method of how to make £20 every day using CPA Grip and Pinterest. First of all, you make an account with CPA Grip. Go to CPA Grip. Then you make an account going on become an advertiser. I'm already have an account, so you might need to make an account. You might go to the dashboard and my offers. Then if you want to maximize your pay, the money you make, you have to change countries. Like, I'm in the United Kingdom, but I could change it to France. And as you can see, they pay out more. See, this is an iPhone 14 offer. So every time someone clicks on this link and puts that email, you'll be making money. And this is how I'm going to show you how to get traffic, free traffic, so you don't have to send money. You copy the link. No, first you type iPhone 14 poster. You tap on images. You save the image. You save it. As you save it, you go back to CPA Grip. You copy this link. Then you make a new tab. Wait, I'm having difficulties. You go to tiny URL. Then go to tiny URL. You type this. You paste the link there. Then you shorten it. You get Ali. Just put you could put iPhone. Oh, just put your name. See, I copy it. Then you go to what's this name? Or you go back to Pinterest. You create a pin. When you create a pin, you tap this. Oh, the image is too small, but that's not a problem, as we can go back to Adobe resize, which is free. Everything there is free, so you can maximize your profits. Then you go upload your photo. You drag it, download, open it. They put it in story mode. Then you download it. Then you sign up. Give me a second to sign. Once you're all signed up, you click download, and as you can see, you've downloaded it. Then you go back to Pinterest. Then you tap this. Then you write in the capital letters, get your free iPhone 14 now. Then you copy and paste your link. Then you write the screenshot. Then you write the description, paste. Then you publish it. You put free. You publish it. Thank you guys for watching this video on how to make £300 with CPA Grip and Pinterest. And if you want more, please subscribe and like this video. Bye guys.